Hi, I'm Sanjay Puri and I'm excited to talk about a really interesting product that I've recently discovered. Let's begin by first acknowledging that flooring is an integral part of our daily life. It's a canvas upon which we live, work, and create. Today, I'm delighted to introduce you to an all-new SPC flooring which is setting new standards for style and innovation. The SPC flooring is a game changer in the interior design space that is composed of multiple layers which makes it highly rigid and durable. It has exceptional water resistance, so no more concerns about spills and moisture damage. We all know how difficult installation can be. However, with the ingenious 14F drop lock installation system, installing an SPC flooring is a breeze. On top of that, it perfectly mimics wood and stone imaging and texture, giving you an authentic appearance. In today's fast-paced world, where busy lifestyles leave little time for regular upkeep, SPC flooring's low-maintenance design comes in really handy. But that's not all. SPC flooring's sound insulation properties help minimize the noise transmission, creating a peaceful living environment. SPC flooring's remarkable temperature stability makes it a wise investment choice. Incorporate these cutting-edge flooring panels into your living spaces for unmatched performance and aesthetics. Elevate your interior spaces with this amazing innovative solution.